Kind of a foggy morning here in Michigan, which is odd for December. Seems like we ought to have snow, but we have no snow on the ground, at least in mid-Michigan. And we are gearing up to head to Canada. And we are going to be taking on a project, so more to come on that. We're here in Cambridge, Ontario. We have arrived sort of at the mothership for the Roadtrek van that we drive. Near here in Kitchener, Ontario is where the original Roadtrek facility is.
We made it to the mothership! Yay!
Heimer has purchased Roadtrek, and now they have a facility here in Cambridge. So we're here to see what they do at the two facilities and learn more about the whole system.
We're just really excited. I think it's always something fun to go see how your vehicle is made, whether that's a car or an RV or any product for that matter. So it is kind of cool to be here at the factory, even though it's not specifically the Roadtrek factory. Hopefully we'll get to see some of the other products, whether that's a trailer or other Class Bs or other different RVs in general, all the different lifestyle units that Heimer Group makes.
We are going to be partnering with Heimer on a great project in 2019. We're really excited to be able to tell you about that very soon.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to meeting everybody tomorrow and working with them, and pretty soon we're going to have maybe a slightly new look for the van, which we'll be revealing soon, so stay tuned and we hope that you come along on this journey with us.
It's going to be fun.